Natural light has a remarkable way of transforming a home. It makes rooms feel larger, more welcoming, and even more energetic. In Hilliard, where sunshine can brighten nearly every season, maximizing that natural light can dramatically improve the comfort and beauty of your living spaces. Yet, capturing that light effectively isn't just about choosing large or stylish windows, it's about ensuring they're installed correctly. Expert window installation plays a crucial role in helping homeowners make the most of daylight while improving energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics. Here's how professional installation enhances natural light in Hilliard homes and why it's an investment that pays off in more ways than one. Perfect placement for maximum light exposure. Natural light doesn't behave the same way in every room. Factors like the direction your home faces, window height, and even surrounding trees can influence how much sunlight reaches your interiors. Professional installers in Hilliard understand these nuances and position your windows to capture the right amount of light at the best angles. For instance, south-facing windows provide consistent daylight throughout the day, while east-facing windows fill your home with warm morning light. Expert installers consider these details when fitting or replacing your windows, ensuring your living spaces get the optimal balance of brightness without glare or overheating. When properly installed, your windows create a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors, flooding your home with natural illumination and reducing your reliance on artificial lighting. Proper alignment and sealing for clear, unobstructed views. Even the most advanced windows can fail to perform if they're not installed with precision. Misaligned frames or gaps in sealing can cause fogging, condensation, or visual distortion, all of which block light and obscure your view. Professional window installation guarantees a perfect, airtight fit, keeping your glass crystal clear while preventing moisture buildup that dulls the light over time. Every pane is leveled, sealed, and finished to maintain its clarity and transparency, allowing sunlight to filter into your rooms without obstruction. This precision installation not only improves lighting but also enhances your home's overall aesthetic, from the way light dances across your floors to the vibrancy it brings to your furniture and decor. Energy efficiency without sacrificing brightness. Homeowners in Hilliard often worry that larger or brighter windows might lead to higher energy bills, but with expert installation, you don't have to choose between light and comfort. Professional installers use advanced techniques and materials to ensure your windows are energy efficient and well insulated. Features like low emissivity coatings and argon gas fills allow sunlight to pass through while blocking heat transfer. This means your home stays bright and airy without letting in excess heat during the summer or losing warmth in the winter. The result? A naturally lit home that remains comfortable and energy efficient all year long, lowering your utility costs while creating an inviting environment for your family. Customized solutions for every Hilliard home. Every home in Hilliard has its own architectural style and lighting potential. A skilled window installation team will evaluate your home's structure, layout, and existing lighting conditions to design a customized plan that enhances both beauty and function. They might recommend installing picture windows in living areas to capture panoramic views, or casement windows in kitchens to bring in a refreshing breeze and soft daylight. For homeowners seeking a bright yet cozy feel, combinations like bay or bow windows can create spacious nooks that invite sunlight from multiple angles. These tailored solutions ensure your windows not only look beautiful but also make every space feel lighter, warmer, and more connected to the outdoors. Long-term benefits of professional installation. Expert window installation does more than improve lighting, it ensures long-term durability and performance. Professionally installed windows are less likely to develop air leaks, condensation, or frame damage, meaning your home will continue to enjoy clear, consistent natural light for years to come. Local professionals in Hilliard also understand the community's weather patterns, from humid summers to cooler winter months, and install windows designed to withstand them. Their attention to detail guarantees a flawless finish that maintains both brightness and comfort no matter the season. Final thoughts for homeowners in Hilliard. Enhancing natural light starts with more than a window upgrade. It begins with expert installation. Professionally installed windows maximize brightness, preserve energy efficiency, and create a more inviting atmosphere throughout your home. By working with skilled local installers, you can transform your living spaces into warm, light-filled retreats that feel open, cheerful, and beautifully connected to the world outside. Let the sunlight in, with precision, care, and the craftsmanship that only Hilliard's window experts can provide.